A few years ago, I was living a completely normal life. I had a girlfriend, a job, friends. Everything felt real. Like really real. I remember small details too. Conversations, routines, even random days that didn't matter. Nothing felt off. Until the lamp. It was just a red lamp in my living room. I don't even remember when it first appeared, which is weird on its own. It wasn't there before, and then it just was. At first, I didn't think much of it, but over time, I started noticing something was wrong with it. I can't describe it perfectly, but the proportions felt off. Like, it looked normal if you weren't focusing on it, but the moment you really looked, something about it didn't make sense. The color was too deep, too solid, almost like it didn't belong in reality. And then I couldn't stop noticing it. I'd be talking to my girlfriend, and suddenly my eyes would drift toward the lamp. Watching TV? Thinking about the lamp. At work? The lamp would pop into my head for no reason. It started bothering me more and more. Eventually, I began staring at it for long periods of time, just sitting there, trying to figure out what was wrong with it. That's when everything else started to feel off. My life didn't feel as sharp anymore. Conversations felt scripted. People felt slightly unreal, like they were just there. The lamp, though? That felt real, more real than anything else. I became obsessed. I stopped going out. I barely talked to anyone. I'd just sit there in my living room, staring at the lamp for hours. Days, maybe weeks passed like that. And then one moment, something clicked. I was staring at it, and I realized this shouldn't exist. Not, this is weird. Not, this is broken. This shouldn't exist at all. The second I truly understood that, everything started to fall apart. My living room, gone. The walls, gone. My entire life, just peeling away like it was never real. It didn't fade slowly, it collapsed. And then, I woke up. I was in a hospital bed. My parents were there. Older. Way older than I remembered. They were crying. Apparently, I had been in an accident. I'd been in a coma. For years. Everything I thought was my life, my girlfriend, my home, my memories, none of it existed. It was all something my brain made up while I was unconscious. The doctors said it's rare, but it happens. The brain creates a full reality to cope. And the lamp? They think it was some kind of inconsistency, something my brain couldn't fully render properly. A flaw in the dream. The only thing that didn't belong. The only thing that showed me it wasn't real.